Okay. All right, William. So yesterday I asked you what a person is called in a book. Do you remember what we talked about yesterday?
Yes, I do.
What is a person in a book called?
A character.
A character. And characters have character traits, right? Things that make them unique, right?
I remember.
You remember that?
Yeah, I remember.
And we talked about outside character traits. Give me an example
inside.
of an outside.
Inside.
No, let's do outside
Okay.
first.
I collect Pokemon cards, because you can see I make Pokemon binders, and I like showing my Pokemon cards like this one.
Oh yeah, and you have glasses, and you have blue eyes, and you wearing a black shirt. Those are outside traits, right?
And I like Nike.
Right, and like you have a space between your two teeth, right? Those are outside character traits. But we also talked about inside character traits. And so yesterday we decided that the vet in the book was smart, right?
Yeah.
And we talked about how smart is a character trait.
Because doctors know a lot, because they study hard, and they have to know they have to know about animals to take care of.
Right.
They have to know about almost every animal.
That's right.
Like someone might find an animal and it's weak, and they bring it to the vet.
Yeah, vets are really smart.
The vet must know about it.
You're so right. And what we talked about for a little bit, it was almost time to go, that there were some words that we could use instead of just saying the vet is smart. Do you remember what the words that mean the same thing are called? Do you remember I said it's not the cinnamon like you put on your cereal or on your hot cocoa or whatever. It's called a synonym, right?
Yeah.
Synonyms are words that mean the same thing. Do you remember any words that meant the same as smart?
Intelligent, genius. I think that was
Yeah, and clever, and we said clever, right? So using synonyms instead of the word smart will make your writing sound better. And you really came up with a good sentence. You said, I am clever when I spell, which is so true, and you drew a picture. So today I want to talk about the vet again. And what do you think we should put in the word web over here? Tell me another inside character trait about the vet.
inside.
Yeah, let's talk only about the inside one. So not only is she smart, but look what she did here. What did she offer the guy?
She's kind.
Oh my God, she's so kind. She's really nice, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so
she gave the cat catnips, and she wanted to get the cat out of the car.
We could put the word nice right in here.
But
and
still,
the
cat would be scared of her, because she does not know who it is.
Right, but you're right. So
it still would be nice, but the cat would be scared, because maybe the cat would think that it was gonna steal her, or...
Right, so we talked about how instead of just saying the vet is nice, if we were writing a story about a person, instead of just saying she's nice, we could use synonyms for the word nice. Here's one that you just came up with.
Kind.
The word kind. Can you copy that one? And I'm going to ask you if you can think of other ones. I have a list of a few that I want to teach you, but I want to see what you can come up with. Kind. That's okay. You want to erase it? Here, I'll help you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Erase it.
There you go. Kind. Okay. What other words can we come up with to describe what it means to be nice? And you can think about the vet when we think of examples. Think about what she did.
Kind.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Well, nice is the word in our web. What else? She was like...
I need some think time. I think... Generous.
Generous?
Yes,
okay.
Generous.
Well, why...
It means like you would do something that it means like you would do something and get... It means like you would...
Well, generous is a really grown up word, but generous is a word that means that you give something to somebody more, like you give a lot
Well,
to somebody. I think what you're
she
thinking.
gave catnip, and she gave like a whole handful.
So she was really thoughtful.
Thoughtful.
So go ahead and put the word thoughtful in your synonym web. Thoughtful.
It starts with T.
You're right, buddy. It does. Thoughtful. So not only was she kind, but she was also thoughtful. That's a big word, thoughtful. And generous is really like a word. Somebody who's nice is generous. You're right. So maybe we could. This should be an F.
F. Oh, I didn't
Thoughtful. Sorry. Yeah, you're right. Thoughtful. She really cared so much about her patient.
Yeah, because because animals have to, like, you have to be calm with the animal, because like
Patient.
if the animal doesn't know you,
Mm-hmm.
you should be calm with it and patient with it.
Patient is
and be kind to it, because it doesn't. If you do something really mean to it, and it could attack you. And animals are more powerful than you. So
you said some really smart things just now. You said some really smart things. You said that you have to be thoughtful and kind, but you also used the word patient. And I think being nice is somebody who's patient. And she was really patient with her patient. Right? And she was also friendly. She was so friendly. She said to the man, "Would you like me to help you get him out of the car?" She was really friendly. When you're nice, are you friendly? Is that a synonym for the word nice? Okay, go ahead and record those in your box, and then we're going to move on to the next part. Because we have to find the sentence in the book that you want to copy that will tell us that she was nice. And I bet since you read that so well to me today, I bet you can find it really quickly. Patient.
Is that an I? Because
Yeah. Patient, T-I. You're writing so beautifully. So whenever you're writing a story, William, and if you have a nice character in your story that you make up, this is a T, E-N-T, no D.
No, I'm writing that one.
No, you're not. Patient.
I'm writing this one right here.
You're on this one, P-A-T-I.
No, I'm writing this one.
Look, P-A-T-I-E-N.
Oh, I missed that.
You forgot just the last letter.
Oh, I
and
thought
then
I was
you're
writing that one.
patient and friendly is what the words are. Right? So she was so friendly. She was so friendly. Like, just the fact that she gave him catnip was just such a nice thing to do. Or if that, like, when she, I don't know, what do you think is the part in the book that proved to us that she's nice? You know what was the best? Okay, you tell me your favorite part about, not your favorite part. Tell me the part in the story where you think she showed that she was nice. And then I'll tell you what I was thinking too. She definitely helped. She offered to, which one is that? Oh, the vet said.
The vet said, I can get Val from the van for you.
That's where you think that it showed that she has the inside character trait of being nice. Do you want to know what I thought? I think that's a good one. We're going to write that in the box there. But I think there's 3 places. Well, here, what did she say here?
The vet said to Val.
She was like talking to the cat. What did she say?
You did a good job with the shot.
I just thought that was so sweet.
I will give you some catnip.
How thoughtful for a vet to do that. Sometimes when Simba goes to the doctor, he gets a treat at the end too. So which sentence would you like to do? The
Me
one.
too. Sometimes I get lollipops.
Sugar-free lollipops. Yeah. What do you think? Go ahead and write the sentence that you want to prove that the word nice.
The thing is that they used to have these little thing. I forget what it was called, but they don't have them anymore.
Okay, so did you want to do this one?
Yeah.
So go ahead.
The vet said,
You're right, that was really nice of her to do.
I can
nice. You corrected it. You made it a capital letter. Good job.
From the van for you.
Good
I
job.
really could tell because they say for you.
Yeah,
So it really makes me know that she's being nice.
you're so right. Okay, so now we have a job to do. You get to think of your own sentence using one of these. You could use kind, thoughtful, patient, friendly. Which synonym for nice are you going to use?
When I'm patient, when we're in line, when we go skiing, getting on to like the lift.
So that's a big, so what you want to say is,
I'm patient when I get on the lift.
yes, write that down. Write that down. I will help you. You know the word patient is here, so you don't need that. Go ahead, write I am patient. You can write it by yourself.
I know how to write. I am
Maybe we should write the ski lift, because nobody's going to know what that.
Or on the ski
Yeah.
lift.
I am patient. When? Remember, when will the hen lay her egg?
Oh.
When, right? When.
When.
When I.
When I.
Beautiful writing, buddy.
When I.
What did you want to say? You can do it. I am
When-
patient when I get.
Get. I know how to write get. On. The lift. The ski.
It actually ends with an I. Yeah, you
Lift.
did it. You sounded it out. Great.
No, period.
Oh my goodness, I can't wait to see this picture. What are you going to draw? You have to draw a ski lift, and you getting on the ski lift, maybe with your family, right? Always a good picture in your mind of the word in the web. I know you love to draw, so this is great that this has a box just for you to draw. You need patience when you go on the ski lift?
Yeah, because there's this one ski lift that I like,
Yeah.
and it has a giant line.
Oh, yeah?
It always has a giant line.
Is everybody friendly while they're waiting on the ski lift?
Kind of, because some people like push and shove
no.
to get their family. And sometimes their family get ahead of them, and they push and shove. to
All
get
right. Well,
there,
they wouldn't
so,
be considered kind or thoughtful or friendly,
Yeah.
right? You want a pencil that's more sharp than that one?
I like it, but this is like it's kind of I still like it.
Right. I'm going to turn the video off because you did a great job.